The Prime Minister of Grenada, Mr. Dickon Mitchell, is on an official visit to Taraba State, and he is received by Governor Agbo Kefas alongside other officials of the state government, including federal lawmakers from the state. The visit underscores growing diplomatic and developmental ties with both leaders, emphasizing areas of mutual interest in trade and investment, tourism, agriculture, education, health, and sustainable development.
No African anywhere is strong.
Clad in the traditional Jukun attire, the Prime Minister expressed deep admiration for Taraba's landscape and promises partnership to develop the state.
The time has come for us to rewrite the 400 years of history that has kept the Caribbean and the African continent from trading, investing, and supporting each other in our economic development and economic development of our people.
In his remark, Governor Agbo Kefas rules out areas of broader collaboration and assures of result-oriented partnership.
We have so many to do together in the area of agriculture, tourism, culture, health, and every other aspect of development. So I believe that in our moments of brainstorming and discussing, we'll be able to iron out some of these things.
Later in the day, a gala night is organized in honor of the visiting Prime Minister. The governor took to the dance floor to display his dancing skills to the admiration of the audience. Governor Kefas emphasizes the importance of the partnership on job employment and technology transfer.
A future where Taraba and Grenada becomes model partners in cross-continental exchange, where our youth connect through innovations and our farmers learn from one another, and also where tourism will flow, culture will flourish, and our people will begin to make progress.
The Prime Minister appreciates the honor as he comments the approach to governance in the states.
The vision of your governor for your state is global. It is not just for Nigeria.
A memorandum of understanding is expected to be signed between the two leaders to commit to supporting each other in economic growth.